Hey guys, it's Candy with KANDI'S Kreations. I have a custom order for a Halloween garland. It's actually a 18 foot, and I'm just gonna do one of the 8 foots because I bought 9 foot. I bought 2 9-foot garlands off of Amazon. You probably could search, I just Googled and looked for a black pre-lit garland. You also could get them from Craft Outlet. They're just different a little bit than these. I showed this because it has more pines on it. There's probably other places you could get them from, but I just ordered mine from Amazon. I ordered these little lights off of Amazon because she wanted lights in them. So I just strung the lights in there. I have a whole nother pile down there on the ground. So I usually make these on the ground, but I am going to attempt to do this on the table. I have done them on the table before, but we're gonna wing this together. This is for a customer. I made 2 double door Frankie wreaths for her last year, and she wanted a garland to match them. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just going in where I have the ties of where I added my 10-inch mesh. Alright, so we still need some more ribbon, and then we'll start adding some other stuff. You see these guys still have a lot of blank spaces here. I have this one. I'd like to find another one. Okay, so I'm going to do this. And I have a good bit of this too. Just Frankie colors. It's kind of busy on top of each other, but it'll be fun. It looks good. I have 4, but for this one, 2 Gigantor, not Gigantor, but they're 2 cute pumpkins we're gonna add, and then we're gonna add some picks. And then I'll make the other one after I get done with you guys, and I will add them together. I'm gonna put them on my door, add them together, then I'll add my wow bow at the top in the middle of where they're gonna meet, and then I'll probably take my glue gun with me outside and a few other things and add to it to where after I get it on the door so I can tell. But this is just, I'm showing you a basic recipe of how I do. It's just the fact that now you got all these ribbons in here. Where are you gonna fit it, And I don't know why, but I just always, other people could do it and I like the way it looks, but sometimes the way mine runs, I don't really care for it that great. It just don't lay right for me. And if I was gonna do this and leave it, I would definitely, see, I can't put it over the top. I don't like that. I mean, that doesn't look too bad, but it's covering up. I'm just gonna leave this pop on the very end down here. And then I'm gonna make some baby bows with this. It's just, now that I've already got the other ones running through, I just don't think that it's gonna look right. So, let me just cut up a couple of these. Just pop it in there. we have, I wish I could see all of it because I'm going to glue these babies in there. These came from the wreath shop. Craft Outlet had them at one time. I don't know if they're in stock though. But her Frankies that I did her wreath with, they're holding these. I did them last year. I also ordered 3 of the same picks. We're just gonna tear these apart. Glue some of these randomly throughout. I did order some of these. I got more, but I'm just gonna start with that. Dip them in some glue. Do 2 of them. So we can hook some pipe cleaners through them. Make sure they stay good. And if you have ornaments you're going to use, you know, you could just make sure the ends are glued good, but I need another one. All right. Alright guys, this is a basic recipe of how I'm going to do this. I'll take a picture and show you, and I might add some more balls right here to wherever the ties are, and I'm going to hang it on my outside and I'm going to put it together. Then I'll add the main, like if you were doing just this, somebody just wanted it to go on the top of their door, all you have to do is fold this in half, and that's where you'll know where your middle is, and that's where you'll add your wow bow. Is in the middle. You don't have to add it in the middle. You could do it on the 2 sides. You know, you'll have to ask them the measurements of their door and ask them how big, you know, how big the top is, and then that's when you'll put your wow bow. You could do them on 2 on each side. You could do one in the middle. It's just however you want to do it. So I hope this helps you, give you a guide. I had to do this for a custom order, so this is my basic recipe. So y'all have a good weekend. I probably also will take these outside and add some more of these for pops of green. But I'll probably add a good bit once I get outside. But you know, I'll just snip these off just like I do a wreath and just sporadically add them in there for those pops of green. All right, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good weekend and thank you for being here.